Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha inaugurated National Seminar on Infrastructure Development in North-East region of India at Pragna Bhavan, Agartala on Friday, organized by Indian Buildings Congress, Tripura Center in association with Ministry of Donor. Besides CM Founder Director of Indian Buildings Congress, Engineer O.P. Goel and other top delegates were present in the seminar. Today on 18 July 2025, a national seminar on infrastructure development in Northeast region of India was conducted in Tripura, organized by Indian Buildings Congress and hosted by the State Centre in association with Ministry of Donor, Government of India, Public Work Development, Rural Development Department and Urban Development Department. Likewise, many engineer institutes centered in the state were also present as delegates in the seminar. The national seminar is probably going to be held for 3 working days. While addressing the seminar, State Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha firstly welcomed all the national delegates coming from all over the state participating in this seminar, and he wished them a comfortable and pleasant stay in the state. The CM highlighted the infrastructure development of the state starting from national highways, bridge and buildings. He offers his gratitude to all the engineers from all the departments.
Airports, then highways, power projects, water supply, urban infrastructure, etc., etc. So primarily, all together hold the key to the growth of this northeastern region. In the Northeast Rising Summit 2025 at New Delhi on 23rd May, our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, in his speech already have mentioned that Northeast means Ashtalakshmi, because we have 8 states. And earlier also he mentioned that these 8 states are very near to his heart, and he has named Ashtalakshmi because of the 8 states. Under his leadership and activist policy to make the Northeast at par with other parts or mainlands of the country, maximum attention has been given on infrastructure, road construction and connectivity. Under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, who is relentlessly working towards the overall development of this region. A very important step has been taken up by the Government of India by creating or setting up a donor ministry, as we know, for overall development of this northeastern region. If we talk about connectivity, Northeast Railway Connectivity Project is a multi-phase railway project in northeastern region. We never have thought of before. If we leave Assam, the other states, we never have thought that they should or we should have this railway connectivity. Now the dream has come into reality. The railway project is considered as strategically important for India by connecting all border states. Very important, because our states are very bordering state, and in this region, and also it is close to the Asian countries. So connectivity is very important. So strategically this railway connectivity, as our Honorable Prime Minister has thought of, and he did it. Northeastern region is often referred to India as powerhouse due to its massive hydropower and petro and gas potential.
Apart from the Chief Minister, Founder Director of the Indian Buildings Congress, Engineer O.P. Goel, Senior Engineer V. Suresh and other top engineers delegates were present in the seminar. Reported by Pranav from Agadla, Chini, Khorang.